Everyone who surfs the internet needs internet data. In fact, everyone in the world needs internet data. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the step by step process to start selling internet data in Nigeria. So, let's dive into the video. Now, let me show you people who are already doing this business on the internet. We're going to go to Google and we're going to search cheap data bundles. Now, if you look very well, you can see people who are selling this stuff for very cheap. Now, the reason why people are thriving in this data business is because you buy data for very expensive price. I mean, look at this. People are selling 1 gig for 300, 2 gig for 600, 3 gig for 900, even 4 gig for 1200. But you buy data for 1 gig as high as 1000 naira here in Nigeria. So I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's go to MTN data bundles and look at how much MTN sells their data. MTN sells data of 1.5 gig for 1000 naira, 2 gig for 1200, 3 gig for 1500, all valid for 30 days. That means you get 1500 gigabytes for 1000 naira for 30 days. But if you look over here, all these data are for 30 days, but they're selling it way cheaper than what your major network sells it. So is it that these people are giving out data for free? No, these people don't sell data at a very cheap price and lose money. What they do is they buy data for cheaper rates and then they sell it cheap to their customers and they keep the profits. So let me show you, where do these people buy their data for very cheap price? So what you need to do is go to Play Store if you are using an Android phone, but if you are using a iPhone or you want to use web, you can go to www.rechargeapp.com.ng. But if you are using an Android, you need to go to Recharge App Instant Top Up. You can see on my screen, here is the search phrase. This is what you need to search for: Recharge App Instant Top Up, and then you click on it, and then you see this is the app that we're looking for: Recharge App Instant Top Up. That's what you need to find on Play Store. So you click on this. If you have installed yours, you see the uninstall and open. But if you haven't installed the application, what you see right here is install now. You see an install now button that will tell you to install the application. I have installed mine, so I'm going to show you what the app looks like. So I'm going to click on open right here. I'm going to click on the open button to take me to the application. So once you open the application, you see a notification that is going to tell you to use the FAQ, that some of your questions has already been answered on the FAQ. So you don't have any issues. Anytime you have an issue or a question, you can go to their FAQ and then you can ask them, or you can read the questions that people usually ask about. Then maybe you might get your solution there. Or if you can't, you can contact them on their contacts on WhatsApp or on Instagram or on Facebook, so that they can help you out with any issue that you have. So I'm going to click on understood and we're going to open the application over here. So once you click on open, you're going to see this dashboard over here. I'm going to ask you to log into your account. If you already have an account, what you need to do is to put your email and then your password. But if you don't have an account, what you need to do is to register by clicking on the register now. This is the register now button. So what you need to do is to click on the register now and register. So I'm going to click here and show you what you need to insert. So for the register, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and then create your password. And if you have a referral code, or if you want to refer someone, you can tell them to insert your referral code over here. And then what you need to do is to click on register. But take note, your email and your phone number needs to be correct because you don't want any issue when you are registering. So insert your email and insert your phone number, and then you have to verify those information because you'll be sent a code to your email and your phone number to verify. So I already have my account, so I'm going to go straight to logging in into the app. So if you do not understand how to register, you can go to my previous video which I uploaded. So that video will show you the step-by-step tutorial of how to use the Recharge app platform. And I'm also going to drop a web version, like the step-by-step process of how to use the web version to buy and sell your data if you are using iPhones, for those who use iPhones or browser. So I'm going to log in into my app right now. Okay, so we're right here on the Recharge app. First of all, let me show you the FAQ and the dashboard. Let me show you a look of everything. So in this app, you can buy your airtime, you can buy your data, you can buy your TV payments like your DSTV, your GoTV, your StarTimes TV, so on. You can also buy your electricity bills, like if you use electricity in your home, your prepaid meter, your postpaid meter. If you want to credit them, you can use this app to credit your electricity bills. You can buy edu pins like WAEC pins, NECO pins. You can buy you can register for jam, even register for WAEC here on this app. You can buy mega data like 25 gig, 50 gig, 100 gig, 1 terabyte. You can buy them all here. So first of all, let me show you how you can buy data on this platform. The first thing you need to do is fund your account. So you click on this fund accounts here, the blue button. This is the blue button that you need to click. Fund wallet. You click on the fund wallet, and then to show you your automatic accounts. This is the account that you are seeing here. Wema Bank, you get, then your account number, and then your name will show. Note that when you want to fund your account, you will see MFY/recharge. That is the Recharge app, and then your first three alphabets of your name. Like for me, if I want to fund, I will see MFY/recharge app/Dan, DAN. So if your name is John, you will see MFY/recharge app/JOH, which is the first three letters of John. So send money into this account, and then it automatically reflects on your account balance. It's just as fast as lightning. It doesn't waste time. And you should note that there is a charge of 50 naira. So to buy data over here, I'm going to click on this buy now button on the data. Here is the buy data bundles, and then I'm going to select my data like MTN SME, and then we'll select the price. Now if you can see, you can buy data at 236 naira, but you can sell it for 300 naira. That means you make over 64 naira in profit. And you can sell yours for as 350 depending, so you can make over 100 naira in profit. So we're going to select this plan 1 gigabyte for 236 naira, and I'm going to put my phone number over here. So this is also the support number. You can go on WhatsApp and send a message to us if you need any support. Now I'm going to input my PIN, and you can see I'm going to buy now, and they will ask me, are you sure you want to buy 1 gigabyte for this number? So confirm your number before you buy. So you click on OK. And as you can see to say my transaction has been successful and my money have been debited, and you can see that the data has reflected without wasting time. It's as fast as lightning, guy. So if you're buying for your customers, they will get it instantly. So if you want to locate the FAQ page, you can just click on this hamburger menu, and then once you click on it, it will show you the page where all the menus are available. Then you locate the FAQ over here. This is the FAQ page. Here is also the our news page. FAQ helps you answer questions, and then the news page gives you updates like tutorials or instructions of how to do or how to use the application. Do you understand? So these two pages will help you and support you to better understand and use the application. So if you want to become a reseller and you want to be getting cheaper, you want to be buying cheaper data, cheaper products, cheaper services on this application, then you need to become a reseller. This is the reseller I'm talking about here. Here is the reseller. So the reseller will give you discounts on all your transactions that you make on the application. Let's open this. As you can see, they will tell you that it charges 1,500 to become a reseller, and this is lifetime payment. It's not monthly or yearly. Once you pay it, you have paid it for life. You get? So if you are interested in becoming a reseller, you click on the reseller proceed, and then it will ask you, are you sure you want to become a reseller? And then you press OK, but you must fund your wallet with 1,500. You have to have funds in your wallet before you can become a reseller. The next step is, how do you find customers that will patronize you? How do you find customers that will buy your data every time? Quality customers. So let me ask you a question. How many contacts do you have on your WhatsApp? The first method to making sales as a data reseller is you can just post WhatsApp status. You get? Post WhatsApp status saying something like we sell data or buy data for cheap. You need a banner, like a flyer or a banner, just like this one on the screen. You get? If you don't have a banner or if you can't design one, you can contact this number. He's the one that does everything when it comes to banner printing and my banner designs, my logo designs. He does it all. So you can contact him. He will help you on design, but know that it is not free. So you can contact him. I'll leave the link in the description. So post on your WhatsApp status every day. If you cannot post on your WhatsApp status, there is an application on Google Play Store that allows you to schedule WhatsApp status. People will view this your WhatsApp status, and when they see your status and see that you sell data, that banner will also be used, because you can also post that banner on your WhatsApp status and they will also see it. You get? Your family, your friends, people on your status will see it. Now, there is another method that you can also use. If you use WhatsApp Business app, you should know that WhatsApp Business app has auto messaging, like a auto reply. You get that? For people who just message you for the first time or when you're away, you can customize this WhatsApp message in a way that you talk about your business. If I on this, as you can see now, this is greeting message. Here it says, thank you for contacting Recharge and please let us know how we can help you, right? On your WhatsApp, people sometimes go into like message you. People who don't know, people got your number, people who are spamming you, different people will message you. So you can put this greeting message as an auto reply to greet them, and then you tell them about your site, or like, I sell data for 1 gig 300, 2 gig 400, 3 gig 500. And then when people see that stuff, they will know, even though it does not get you sales, it gets you ads. It's advertise your stuff to them. That is the third method. It's advertise your product to them. As you set it as your greeting message, and you also set it as your away message. You set it as your away message too. So anybody that's messaged you when you're not around, you also send them, we are not available, but we'll be here. We'll be available in 2 minutes, something like that. And then you can also tell them that we sell data. If you are interested in buying data for very cheap, 1 gig 300, 2 gig 600, whatever, they will know about this stuff and they will patronize you. So that's how it works. Then the fourth method I'm going to be showing you is WhatsApp TV. WhatsApp TV. There is, if not thousands of WhatsApp TVs out there willing to advertise for you. It may just cost 1,000, 2,000 naira. If you are interested in using WhatsApp TV to advertise, I can forward you 100 WhatsApp TVs, mega WhatsApp TV, that will help you to advertise your product to their customers. These TVs have thousands of views daily. That you have thousands of people seeing your product, messaging you that they want to buy. So if you are interested in this, just send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll send it to you. So the next method I want to show you is how you can market your data through WhatsApp groups. So if you're someone that is familiar with WhatsApp groups, maybe you have a WhatsApp group for your family or for your friends, you should know that WhatsApp groups are like community for people who have the same ideas or maybe are into the same things. So you want to find WhatsApp groups with a lot of Nigerians in that group. So here are some WhatsApp groups that you can get on Google by just searching Nigerian WhatsApp groups for 2023. So as you can see, these are examples. You want to join these WhatsApp groups and then you want to be posting that you sell data on these groups, but don't spam it. Just effectively communicate with them by telling them what you can offer them and how cheap they can get your data for. So to do this, you have to be posting daily. You have to be posting consistently, and if you cannot do that manually, you can always use an application on Google Play Store that will help you to schedule your WhatsApp post automatically. Now here is the application I'm talking about. This is Skidit scheduling app. It helps you schedule SMS, Telegram messages, and also WhatsApp messages. And you can schedule your WhatsApp group messages with this app. I'm sure that you can effectively communicate with these people, telling them that I sell data, and if you're interested in the data that I'm selling, you can come to my DM and then we can do business. So that's how it works. I'm going to be creating a video that will show you 6 effective ways on how you can promote your data reselling business, and you don't have to use WhatsApp for it. It's very effective and you are going to get results 100%. Now I hope that with these methods that you can promote your data and then make money from it. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can print paper data and sell it to the local stores and supermarkets around you, and that way you can make lots of money. I'm talking about 5,000 to 10,000 naira daily. So if you've gotten value from this video, please subscribe and also click on the bell notification button to get notified anytime our videos go live on this channel. And don't forget to like, share, and ask your questions on the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. So if you want to learn how you can use Recharge app effectively, you can click on the video on the screen, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.